23rd, I was in a car wreck where I suffered a broken pelvis and hip. I have 12 screws that hold that together. I broke my arm, shattered my ankle. I was pinned for 3 hours. The best part would probably be that no matter how bad I felt on days coming in, like my body hurt or mentally I just wasn't ready to do it, they would ask me how I felt and then like, all right, let's get on the new step. Every day it was get on the new step to start the day out. So I never got complacent here. They helped me get better on days that I didn't think that I was going to be able to get better. So they made that easy. I love laughing and having a good time, and so when I was having bad days, Shelby would go out of her way to say something or do something that she knows I'd laugh at. And those are days that probably are the best. Like she knew that it would make me feel better and that I would be able to get more work done. So those were pretty good days, just joking with her. And then Brad came in on a day that he wasn't supposed to help me a few times on Thursdays. So just him wanting to work with me and getting through this, he was a big help. And I trust them, which is a pretty big deal. Mm-hmm. They're the ones helping me reconstruct my body, so you put a lot of faith in them. And, sometimes that's hard to do when, you can't move half your body. Mm-hmm. But we set a plan out and, we attack that plan every day. So, I'm pretty grateful for that. Mm-hmm. It's close to home. I'm from Deshler, and this saving, just not being able to work or not do nothing and having the ability to come to a care facility that's very close to home instead of going to Lincoln 3 to 4 times a week it saved me not just time, but money that I didn't have from not being able to work, I came in here not being able to use my left hand, really my left arm, both my legs, and 93 months later, I'm walking out of here. I use a cane that I don't need half the time. So, I went from, I was pretty broken. Literally broken. I have metal throughout half my body now, and obstacles that they told me I wasn't gonna walk again. And 3 months later, I'm walking. So you're gonna work hard. If you want to get better, they're gonna make you. They're gonna set a goal with you. And a lot of times, even on days I wanted to fail, they won't let you. They're gonna push you. And it was really great exceeding some of these goals that we had set out because they were happier for me almost than I was at sometimes. I was like, okay, that's not a big deal, and then they're pretty jacked up about it, and that makes you feel good. So you'll leave here you leave here just overall happy with how they cared for you. They're lovely people, and I wouldn't be here without them. So, it's hard to thank people for that. I don't know what to say. I wheeled in here with one limb, having to be pushed everywhere, and because of them, I'm here. So, just like I said, it's hard to really say how much people mean to you or how that affects you. But I love them. They're great. I'd tell anybody to come here. My daughter, my dad, my friends, whoever. I know they're gonna get the utmost care. And that's, I think, hard to find.